just moved. Hello, it's Belinda, Selene, and welcome back to my channel. I always thought that we were going to stay in our other house forever. I thought that was going to be my forever home, and then God gave us two little miracles. Right over here, we've got twin girls coming, and we realized that we were going to outgrow that house. And there's a lot of other things that went into it, not just that, because I felt like we still had a great amount of space at our other house, but primarily it was the schools. So we decided to go to a school district where we know that the schools are amazing and they're some of the best in the state. So we decided to take the opportunity, and if the right house came along, then I told Ricardo that I would move. So we've actually been looking at houses for over a year. If something came up, we would just go and look at it. So for an entire year, because of the schools, we did start looking in this area, and I have seen so many different types of houses: ranch houses, 2 stories, tri-level, flip homes, newer renovations. We've seen it all. Our realtor was so patient with us. We saw this on the market. Ricardo just sent me the link, and I was so adamant telling him, like, if we get closer to me being bigger with babies, like being pregnant, like, I don't want to move. We're just gonna have to wait till next year, once they're born, once they're bigger, to move, because I can't be moving, you know, being like super pregnant, not being able to help. Well, the next day after I told him that, this house came on the market, and I remember Ricardo just sent it to me, and I saw it, and oh my goodness, I fell in love with it the second I saw it. No other house was good enough. No other house was better than what we already had. To me, it had to be either the same or it had to be better. So when I saw this house, I was like mind blown. Okay, let's go see this house. The realtor wasn't available, and I'm like, no, we have to make this happen. He made it happen, thankfully. And it was like, he wanted to wait a couple days, but we actually went and saw it that exact day, and it was so nice. I think through that exact day, they had like 4 more showings, and then people put in offers immediately on the house, and we loved it so much. So we actually put $5,000 over asking price, and that's how we got this house, because I just knew, looking at the price, looking at how much square footage it had, looking at the backyard, which was like the selling point, was an instant win for me. We'll be sharing with you guys like a before and after when we do room renovations. Like throughout the year, we already did a couple, and I'll show you guys all of that. Once we bought this house, we wanted to make sure that we still had a place to stay in, so we didn't sell our house so much later. We recently just closed on our other house. We just sold it and did the closing couple days ago. Right now we are sitting in Thiago's room, and we had this repainted. One of the walls had a really bad paint job with the previous owners. You could just tell that they didn't put like the tape down, and it looked really messy around the edges. And we just wanted to like freshen up the room with the baseboards. All right, so here is Thiago's room. We have his crib. I gotta put some artwork up there. And then we have this dresser, all of his artwork from the previous nursery. These are some things that I recently got. We got some picture frames, and then some things for the girls. My little baby's bed. I'm super excited because today's video is in collaboration with Renovations. It is so comfortable. This is the Paxley Swivel Glider Recliner, and it is so incredibly comfortable, especially the back. It has an extra layer of like cushion so that you could sit back. My back is not killing me like usually, and I love the high back because then I can rest my head here. We still rock Thiago to sleep, and we still give him a bottle, so like I can hold him here and give him a bottle, and then he falls asleep really fast. We can put him in his crib, and it goes in very easily, and it can swivel. It can rock. Costco has some great prices and some good quality furniture, and I'm gonna get another one for the girls' nursery too. I will make sure to leave a link down below for this recliner. So big. 29 weeks. Right, so here's a twins room, and we're going to paint the walls pink. Put together some samples. I'm not sure which one I'm gonna do. Which one is your favorite? Tell me, do you like Innocence, Rose Colored, or Roseate Look? I can't decide, but these are going to be the three that I'm choosing from Sherwin-Williams. And then we're gonna get rid of this peachy color. I wanna do some wainscoting on here and then get rid of those blinds, use something else, switch out this fan, and then I wanna put a mural on this side of the wall. And then over here, we just have a bunch of boxes still. A lot of things. And then we have the girls' closet in there with some of their baby clothes already. Let's see, I'll show you guys. Look how cute. Oh my gosh, all the pink stuff. All the cute pink stuff. And they have the most unique and cutest things at like Marshall's and TJ Maxx. And then we just have some stuff from Carter's. I'm so out of breath. And this little guy's gonna go on the wall. We have some frames. These right here were a gift from Sprout, which was so kind of them. Look. How cute. Here's a quick look at our bedroom. I did the bed just for you guys. It was a mess. But this is definitely one of the selling points, was this space over here with the look at the pond. Look how beautiful that is. Oh my goodness. It's frozen right now, but usually there's like the water fountains, and you can hear them, and it is so peaceful. And we have the slide right here to the pool and the diving board. I can't wait to like be out on this balcony in the mornings with my coffee, nursing my babies, and just like looking out at the pond with such a beautiful view. I love this balcony. I always wanted a balcony in a home, and I was like, that's just not possible. Like, what would we look out at, you know? Like, what would be the view? Especially in the Midwest. But look how beautiful that is. It looks so nice. We have the big mirror that came over here. Everything is still in boxes. This is like a little pile that I have ready for the hospital because they told me to start packing my hospital bag. Here's the primary bathroom, and look at the high ceilings. It's so cool. There's a skylight up there, and it's definitely a lot of space. It even has a little vanity, so that way I can get like my makeup and hair done in here, which is usually where I do my hair and makeup nowadays. It has a nice little tub. The toilet room right there. I just don't like the open shelves because it can get dusty up there, but everything is organized. I'll figure something out over there. This was also a huge selling point. Comes with 2 shower heads. Carter and I tested it out. Pretty cool. And plenty of space, which is really nice. That was a really cool feature. And then over here is the closet. That's my side. There's more storage on this side. Oh, there's more storage down here. Not everything is organized, but eventually we will get there. A bunch of more boxes. And then Ricardo's side over here with more storage over there. Pretty cool. Right here is the boys' room. So cute. Oh my goodness, if you guys would have seen them before, it was so different. The walls were yellow, and we put the back paneling on there. We hired someone to do the back paneling and paint the entire room, and it made a huge difference. I love their names. They were super excited about their car beds. We moved this mattress in here because the boys were sick and throwing up all night a couple days ago, and so it's just been here since then. We're going to move it out, but for right now, just imagine what it would look like without that bed in the middle. It is so cute. Oh, their car beds are adorable. I will have them linked down below, especially their bed covers. So they're almost like a sleeping bag. It's so cool because it's like a regular bed sheet, but the cover actually zips on all the way around, so you can take it off completely if you'd like. But my boys like their feet to be covered at night, and they would often get upset if their feet were cold and they wanted us to fix their covers. So ever since we put in this new bed sheet, you can see the zipper right here. It goes all the way down if you'd like, but we leave it up to like maybe right there, and then it keeps them covered all night, even if they move a ton, which they usually do. And it is so light and breathable and really nice. It comes in a lot of different patterns, which I really like. And look how cute this is with their car beds. I am obsessed. This is a pretty big room. I think all 3 boys could actually fit in here, if Thiago wants to join them when he's a little bit bigger. And I still plan to put, oh my god, I'm out of breath. My plan is to put like an arch and then put some books on there with some wall art. That's their closet right here. It's pretty big. It's a big walk-in closet. And then over here is just like their clothes, their toys, their socks. Whew, out of breath. Yeah, but it is so pretty in here. And this was the very first room that we worked on when we got the house, and it turned out perfect. I love this color. It's like, it's mostly green, but it has like a tint of blue, and I am obsessed with that color. Look how it changes in the lighting. It's so perfect. Okay, so everybody is downstairs right now, the boys and Ricardo, and I'll show you guys more of like the kitchen and living room as we go on, because we're doing a huge remodel on the kitchen, which is going to be really cool, of like the before and after. I'm so excited for that. That's going to come in 2 months. We already have it planned out. Yeah, but I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I hope you guys liked the little catch up that we did together, and make sure to subscribe if you haven't already, so you can see the twins when they arrive, which shouldn't be much longer. And I will talk to you guys next time. Muchos besos. Mwah.